You spend months building an audience. The views are climbing, the subscriber count is growing, and then, without warning, the momentum stops entirely. Thousands of creators are receiving this exact message. YouTube is stripping monetization from channels with millions of views, citing inauthentic content. Generating a script, feeding it into a text-to-video tool, and hitting upload used to work. Today, that automated prompt-to-publish pipeline is a direct path to getting your channel demonetized. The platform hasn't banned AI, it is filtering out spam. To stay in the partner program, you have to transition to a hybrid workflow, using AI to accelerate your production while retaining the creative decisions that require a human. So open your video editing software and pull up your current draft. We are going to audit your process. By the time we finish, you will know exactly how to structure your projects so YouTube sees you as an active creator rather than a passive operator. Step 1 is eliminating what the platform categorizes as AI slop. This is content generated from a single basic prompt, resulting in generic stories and low-effort visuals. Think of the mass-produced animal vlogs or standard superhero shorts you scroll past daily. YouTube relies on advertisers, and advertisers want brand-safe, engaging environments. To protect that ecosystem, the algorithm actively targets and removes monetization from these low-effort, mass-produced formats. To bypass this filter, apply the multi-prompt validation rule to your content calendar. If your entire video concept can be generated in one click, throw it out. You need to build your videos layer by layer. Look at this comparison. On the left is a single prompt output. It lacks detail and narrative direction. On the right is an intentional, scene-by-scene storyboard where the creator directed the lighting, pacing, and camera angles for each specific shot. That visible, deliberate direction is your first line of defense against the spam filters. Step 2 addresses the interchangeability trap. This happens when a video contains no distinct point of view or recognizable identity. Test your current draft with this question. If you downloaded this video and uploaded it to a competitor's channel, would your core audience notice the difference? If the answer is no, you have a problem. Relying on default AI voices and stock templates strips away personality. It results in a feed of identical content with the exact same pacing. Break this pattern by injecting your actual experience. Adjust the timing of the voiceover manually. Write jokes that fit your specific sense of humor. Use visual metaphors that reflect your personal storytelling style. Copyright compliance gets you on the platform, but a distinct perspective keeps you monetized. Step 3 requires you to reclaim the structural framework of your videos. You cannot run a fully automated production line. In the red zone, AI handling ideas, scripts, voiceovers, visuals, and edits causes demonetization. Shift to the green zone. You anchor the start and finish with ideation, scripting, and editing. The AI acts as your crew, generating raw voice and visuals from your instructions. When you handle the final assembly, your editing software generates a complex, multi-layered timeline. You are making hundreds of micro decisions regarding cuts, audio mixing, and visual layout. That dense timeline is the physical proof of your involvement. It is the metric the system looks for to verify you are adding value to the raw AI outputs. Step 4 targets the script. Directly copying and pasting generated text into a voice synthesizer is the most common reason AI channels fail. Change how you prompt. Instead of asking the AI to write a complete video, ask it to provide 5 research points and a rough outline. Take those raw research points, open a blank document, and draft the sentences yourself. This forces you to process the information and explain it using your natural cadence. If you skip this, your script will be full of AI tells. Overused transition phrases and perfectly symmetrical conclusions act as red flags. AI tools excel at organizing raw data and generating drafts. They cannot replicate the nuances of authentic human communication. By implementing these 4 steps, you shift from hoping the algorithm favors your prompts to actively directing the quality of your output. This division of labor meets the current requirements of the YouTube Partner Program. You are utilizing automation for speed while guaranteeing human creativity in the final product. Now, look back at the draft you opened earlier. Apply the multi-prompt rule. Rewrite the AI-generated transitions and manually refine your edit. Once your personal perspective is built into the timeline, hit render. You can upload your next video knowing it is